WWDC is less than a month away, and the leaks are coming in hot. From exciting new hardware to powerful software upgrades, Apple is gearing up for a big show. One of the most surprising developments? Rumors suggest Apple may ditch its own struggling Apple Intelligence and partner with Google to bring Gemini AI on board. With that in mind, here are 7 major Apple announcements we're expecting at this year's WWDC. Let's start with number 1, Google Gemini integration. Apple's launch of Apple Intelligence was widely seen as underwhelming, especially when compared to Samsung's S25 Ultra series, which came packed with Google Gemini and outshined the iPhone in several major ways. For instance, Samsung's generative AI photo editing went viral for its ability to intelligently reconstruct parts of a face even when blocked, leaving Apple's cleanup tool looking basic in comparison. Then there's the Gemini voice assistant, which significantly outperformed Siri in both functionality and user experience. And now, just a week ago, Google's CEO revealed during a court hearing that iOS 19 is expected to feature built-in Gemini integration. This move signals one thing loud and clear: if Apple can't beat them, they're joining them. At number 2, we're looking at what could be the most dramatic redesign of iOS in years, possibly the biggest since iOS 7. iOS 19 is set to get a full visual overhaul with a sleek new glass-like interface inspired by visionOS. But it's not just about looks. According to Mark Gurman, Apple is pushing its engineers to focus heavily on performance and stability, aiming to make iOS 19 more reliable and less buggy. Honestly, that's refreshing. Many of us would gladly trade flashy new features for an update that just works flawlessly. Thankfully, this time, Apple is delivering both: a modernized interface and meaningful usability upgrades. Blakeshaw also mentioned new additions like a redesigned camera app and a floating tab bar. Both Gurman and John Prosser agree this could be Apple's most ambitious iOS redesign in over a decade. Now on to number 3, the M4 Ultra Mac Pro. When Apple recently launched the updated Mac Studio, it was surprising to see it offer both the new M4 Max chip and the older, pricier M3 Ultra chip. That combo didn't make much sense until Mark Gurman clarified that Apple plans to release a new Mac Pro with the M4 Ultra later this year. The idea is to ensure the Mac Pro continues to stand above the Mac Studio in both performance and features. So we're likely to see this Mac Pro announced at WWDC. Let's move on to number 4, and this one's a big deal. According to a major leak from Mark Gurman, iOS 19 is getting a powerful new AI-driven battery management system. This feature will intelligently monitor how you use your iPhone and make real-time adjustments to reduce battery drain. It's reportedly being developed with the upcoming iPhone 17 Air in mind. But here's the best part: this new AI feature isn't limited to just the iPhone 17 Air. It's expected to be available on all iPhones that support iOS 19. And number 5, Apple is beginning to move away from Google Search, and it's not just a quiet shift. With more people relying on AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and even Grow within the X app, traditional search engines are losing ground. Google is still everywhere, but the landscape is changing fast. Apple's senior vice president, Eddie Q, recently revealed that the company is seriously exploring how to reimagine Safari with AI-powered search instead of Google. In fact, he even suggested that with this AI evolution, the iPhone itself might not be necessary in 10 years. With iOS 19, Apple is expected to introduce a completely new way to search in Safari, one that's faster, smarter, and free from the clutter of Google ads. It's all about getting straight to the information you need, powered by AI, and changing the way we interact with the web. Going in at number 6, iOS 19 is shaping up to be Apple's best multitasking update yet. According to reports from Majin Bu, the update will bring Stage Manager to iPhones with USB-C ports like the iPhone 15, 16, and the upcoming iPhone 17. Stage Manager is already available on the iPad, which offers a more desktop-like experience when connected to an external display. It's not quite macOS level multitasking, but it's a big step up from what we've had before. And now it's coming to iPhone. That means for the first time ever, you'll be able to plug your iPhone into a display and actually use it like a computer. Well, let's move on to number 7, a major upgrade to Apple's AI voice feature called Personal Voice. While this feature originally launched in iOS 17 and allowed users to create a digital version of their own voice in about 15 minutes, Apple is now making it much faster and better in iOS 19. With just 10 spoken phrases, roughly 1 minute of effort, you can now generate a more natural and smoother sounding AI version of your voice. This enhanced voice can be used with a feature called Live Speech, which lets you type out what you want to say and have it spoken aloud in real time during phone calls, FaceTime, or even in-person conversations. And it's a game changer, especially for people with temporary issues like a sore throat or more serious speech impairments. So there you have it, the 7 biggest announcements and products we're anticipating at WWDC in less than a month. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited about and which product you're looking forward to the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye!